Just hit a button, Morty. Give me a beat.
But are we really supposed to believe that a mad scientist inventor with a flying car just showed up on our doorstep after being gone for years?
Yeah, he does have a lot of really weird made-up sounding catchphrases.
Morty!
Rick? Where are you?
On my workbench, Morty.
Are you invisible and you're gonna like fart on me?
Flip the pickle over.
What? I'm gonna touch it and you're gonna tell me it's an alien dick or something.
Come on, flip the pickle, Morty. You're not gonna regret it. The payoff is huge. I turned myself into a pickle, Morty! Boom! I'm pickle red! Morty! Lick my butt! Yeah! Love a jub jub! Ha ha ha! Yeah!